Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you download a video from Facebook to phone gallery. So for that, at first just select the video from Facebook. After selecting the video, you need to just copy the link of the video. You can copy link from here, click on copy link, or you can just click the top right three dot icon and you can just copy link from here. And after copying the link, just go back and you need to just open a browser, like I'm opening Google browser. Now search for Facebook video download, this one. After searching for it, just go to this very first website. Most of the websites works the same. Now just paste what you copied and now just click on download. Now after that, here you can see download in normal quality, download in HD quality. You can download in two qualities. So I'm downloading HD quality. Here you can see it is downloading. Now you can just open it. And it is directly downloaded to my gallery. Let me show you. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.